Good morning, student. Today is my lecture number 63, and I am going to continue the chapter issue of share, and topic is pro-rata allotment. Student, I have explained many topic related to this chapter in my previous video, and today I will solve practical problem based on pro-rata allotment. So let us see the question first. This is your question number 21. Question says Sun Limited issued application for 25,000 share of 10 each, payable rupees 3 on application, rupees 4 on allotment, and balance on call. Company received application for 45,000 shares. Allotment was made as under. Applicants for 10,000 shares were given 10,000 shares. Applicants for 30,000 shares were allotted 15,000 shares. Applicants for 5,000 shares were not allotted. It means share applied who applicant rejected his share. Excess money on pro-rata was adjusted on allotment. Past journal entries assuming that whole money is received by the company. So now let us see the solution and how I will adjust extra application money applied and how it will rejected in this solution. First, share applied. In this question and allotted. So suppose first applicant who have applied for 10,000 share and allotted 10,000 share. Second applicant who have applied 30,000 share and allotted only 15,000 shares. This will be adjusted on pro-rata. And third applicant who have applied for 5,000 share, his share were rejected and nil. Now total applied share is 45,000 and allotted share total 30,000. 25,000. Now advance applications on pro-rata equal to 30,000 minus 15,000 equal to 15,000 into 3 equal to 45,000. Now less adjusted on allotment up to 15,000 into 4 each equal to 45,000. So it will be more than 45,000, and I have to adjust only 45,000 extra payment applied on application. So it will adjusted easily on allotment only. So let us see now journal entry. First journal entry will be bank account DR to share application account, and amount will be 45,000 into 3, it will be 1,35,000. Now second transaction will be for transferring of application money in share capital account. So journal entry will be share application account DR to share capital account, and when I will adjust on allotment excess 15,000 share, so journal entry will be share allotment account also, and I will also reject 5,000 share, so it will be credited by bank account rupees 15,000. Now I have received 1,35,000 on application, and I will transfer only 25,000 share into 3 in capital account, so it will be 75,000, and we have to adjust 15,000 share at the rate of 3 I have received, it will be 45,000, and 5,000 share were rejected at the rate of 3, so it will be 15,000. Now total amount will be 1,35,000. Next journal entry will be for due on allotment money. So journal entry will be share allotment account DR to share capital account. I have issued only 25,000 share, so at the rate of 4 it will be 1 lakh. Now next journal entry will be for receiving allotment account allotment money. So journal entry will be bank account DR to share allotment account, out of 1 lakh due I have received 45,000 already at the time of application, so it will be adjusted, and now I will get only 55,000 rupees. So in bank account we will transfer only 55,000 rupees. Now I will do the journal entry for share first and final call. So journal entry will be share first and final call account DR to share capital account, and amount will be on 25,000 share at the rate of balance amount. So you can see that I have received 3 on application and 4 on allotment. So I have taken already 7 rupees out of 10 rupees. So remaining balance will be 3 per share, and so I will do 75,000 on 25,000 share at the rate of 3 each. 25,000 share at the rate of 3 each. Now receiving first and final call, journal entry will be bank account DR to share first and final call account, and total money will be received. So it will be 75,000 in debit side and credit side also. So this is the solution of this question. Student, if you have any doubt, you can call me and you ask anytime. Let us see next problem related to pro-rata allotment. Now this is other type of question. Question number 22. Mona Limited issued 20,000 share of 10 each at a premium of 2 rupees 2 payable or as 3 on application, 4 on allotment including premium, 3 on first call and 2 on final call. All the shares were fully subscribed and fully called up except Mr. X did not pay both the calls on 400 shares, while Mr. Y paid the entire sum due on his 1,000 share along with allotment. So in this question, some shareholders did not pay and some have paid in advance. You can see, I repeat once again, Mr. X did not pay both the call on 400 shares, while Mr. Y paid the entire sum due on his 1,000 share along with allotment. Prepare cash book and pass necessary journal entries. Also draw balance sheet. So let us see the solution of this question. Question number 22. First, I will do the journal entry for bank account DR to share application account. I have issued 20,000 share and at the rate of 3 each, it will be 60,000. Now I will transfer application money in share capital account. So journal entry will be share application account dr to share capital account. $60,000. Now journal entry will be for due on allotment money, share allotment account dr to share capital account, and security to security premium reserve account. Now security premium is payable at the rate of 2 including with allotment, and 2 will be for allotment, so total 4 at the rate of 4 rupees on 20,000 share, it will be 80,000, and share capital will be 40,000 and premium will be 40,000. Now allotment money received, therefore journal entry will be bank account dr to share allotment account, and question also says about 1,000 share Mr. Y, who is holder of 1,000 share, paid all sum due with allotment, so it will be calls in advance also on 1,000 share at the rate of remaining balance after deduction of allotment and application and allotment money. Application will be 3 and allotment will be 2 including premium, so it will taken 2 only out of 10, so 5 rupees I have received, and 3 on first call and 2 on final call is due, so total due will be at the rate of 5. So advance will be received in on 1,000 share at the rate of 5 each. Now allotment money due is 80,000, so total money received will be 85,000. Now next point is due for first call money, so journal entry will be share first call account dr to share capital account, so amount will be at the rate of 3 on 20,000 share 60,000, and now I will receive first call money, so journal entry will be bank account dr to bank account dr calls in advance account dr calls in arrears account dr to share first call account, because in this question Y, who is holder X, who is holder of 400 share, did not pay on 400 share both the call. So at the rate of 3, Mr. X did not pay 1200 rupees, and Mr. Y, who is holder of 1000 share, paid first call money at the rate of 3 with allotment. So it will not received at the time of first call because he has paid already 3000 rupees, and total due on first call is 60,000. So remaining amount will be 60,000 minus 3,000 minus 1,200. So remaining balance will be 55,800. Now next journal entry will be for due of second call money. So journal entry will be share second and final call account DR to share capital account. Amount will be 40,000 because due will be on 20,000 share at the rate of 2 each according to question. Now when we will receive share first, second and final call money, journal entry will be bank account DR to bank account DR, calls in arrears account DR, calls in advance account DR to share final call account. Total amount due on final call is 40,000, and I have already received call in advance on 1000 share at the rate of 2 each, so it will be 2000, and one shareholder Mr. X did not pay on 400 share both the call, so I have done in on first call also and in second call on 400 share at the rate of 2 each, so total will be 800, and remaining balance will be cash received, so it will be 37,200. Now student, this is the simple straight solution of this question without preparing cash book. When I will prepare cash book, then cash book will be very simple. You can understand easily. Cash book is nothing. When cash received, it will shift at debit side, and when cash is going, it will shown in credit side. So this is the format of your cash book. I will write cash book bank column. Now this is debit side and this is credit side. You all know about this format of cash book in simple form because you have already taught in 11th class particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. Now when I received application money, then bank account DR to application money, so cash is coming 60,000, and according to rule of journal to ledger, I will also shift in cash book. In debit side of bank account, it will be share application account 60,000. So I will write to share application account 60,000, and same I will also write share allotment account 80,000, and with allotment calls in advance is also given, so calls in advance account will be 5,000 because according to solution and question saying calls in advance received with allotment at the rate of 5 on 1,000 share, so it will also debit in cash book. So in debit side of cash book of bank account, share capital account 80,000 and calls in advance account 5,000 because total I have received 85,000 with allotment. So I am showing you share allotment account 80,000 and calls in advance account 5,000. Now to share first call account will be 55,800 only because I have received only 55,800 on share first call account, you can see, and just it is same in case of second call, final call also. So I will write in DR side of cash book share final call account rupees 37,200. So again I will total it 2,38,000 and balance by balance CD will be also 2,38,000. In credit side 2,38,000. So this is the form of cash book. You can also show the cash book. This is very easy, but when question says also prepare cash book with journal entry, then there is no need to do the journal entry related to bank account. So I will do only those journal entry which is not related to bank. So first journal entry will be eliminated in case of preparation of cash book. So direct you can do second journal entry, third journal entry, because this is not related to bank, and never do fourth journal entry because this is related to bank account. Fifth journal entry, this is not related to bank account. And in sixth journal entry also bank account, so I will not record it, but you can record only calls in advance 3000 dr, calls in arrear 1200 dr, two first share first and final call account 4200. Next I will do share second and final call money due, and last journal entry also will not need to show in journal. So only 1, 2, 3 and 4 journal entry will show when we will prepare cash book, and both is ready as a solution for you. I hope that you will understand to this video. Thank you. I will meet you in next video. Thank you very much.